We'll guide you through how to mask in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create unique visual effects in Canva without using complex software like Photoshop. To begin this tutorial, open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop until the browser window appears on your screen. Next, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to access the Canva website. After that, choose social media to select the design size that fits your needs. As an example, select Instagram post to start with a standard square canvas. Next, click Elements. Then choose Shapes to explore available shape options. For example, select a trapezoid shape to use as the main masking element. Adjust the size of the shape, then change the color to black so it stands out clearly. Then adjust the position and size again until it fits properly within the canvas area. Duplicate the shape until there are 4 copies, then arrange their positions as desired to create a balanced layout. Next, click Share, then choose Download, and click Download again to save the design. Add page 2, then click Uploads, and click Upload Files to bring in your assets. Select the main photo and the previous design to upload both files into Canva. After that, click both images to add them to page 2. Adjust the size of the main photo so it matches the 4 trapezoid shapes you created earlier. Once finished, make sure both files are successfully downloaded and uploaded into the project. Clear page 2, then add the edited main image and the trapezoid shapes onto the canvas. Next, use Blend Image, and if it is not visible, search for it in the Apps menu. Open Blend Image, click the main photo and set it as the bottom layer. Then click the trapezoid image and set it as the top layer. After that, adjust the blend mode and set it to lighten to create the masking effect. Click Add to Design, then remove any unnecessary elements from the result. Adjust the size of the result on the canvas. Then review the result carefully and the masking in Canva is complete.